Gas grills dominate summer cooking with quick startups, precise heat, and easy cleanup. In 2026, top picks include the Weber Spirit E325, Best Overall, Weber Genesis, Smart Tech, Monument Denali 605, Large Capacity, and Napoleon Rogue Pro, Versatile Heat. Budget-friendly options like Charbroil also deliver solid value. The right choice simply depends on your space, budget, and cooking style. Starting at number 1. Brinley STS42 BHDK, a 42-inch tow-behind lawn sweeper. The Brinley STS42 BHDKA is a 42-inch tow-behind lawn sweeper that pulls double duty as a dead hatcher, letting you clear thatch and debris in a single pass to cut your yard work time in half. Its high-velocity 6-brush system, paired with a 5-to-1 brush-to-ground ratio, ensures maximum pickup of leaves, pine needles, sticks, and grass clippings, while the large 20 cubic foot hamper means fewer trips to empty and more time mowing. The dead hatching tines can be raised or locked into a transport position via an adjustment handle, so you never have to remove the attachment, even when you're only sweeping or tackling heavy leaf loads. Built with rugged coated steel and a wide 42-inch sweep, this manual tow sweeper delivers reliable, season-after-season performance for homeowners who want efficiency without the complexity. Number 2. AgriFab Hardtop Mow & Vac Tow-Behind Lawn Vacuum. The AgriFab Hardtop Mow & Vac is a powerful tow-behind lawn vacuum built for large-scale yard cleanup, featuring a 208 cubic centimeters LCT engine that delivers up to 80 miles per hour suction to effortlessly collect leaves, grass clippings, and debris. Its massive 32 cubic foot, 26 bushel, hardtop collection system means fewer stops for emptying, while the vented hardtop helps reduce dust during operation. Designed to fit mower decks up to 54 inches wide, with templates and zero-turn compatibility included, this unit pairs seamlessly with most riding mowers. Large 15-inch turf tread tires ensure smooth towing across varied terrain, and the easy lift handle simplifies hitching and maneuvering. Ruggedly built with alloy steel and assembled in the USA, the AgriFab Mow & Vac takes the hassle out of fall cleanup and heavy-duty yard maintenance. Number 3. Titan Attachments 3-Point PTO Finish Mower. The Titan Attachments 3-Point PTO Finish Mower is a rugged 48-inch rear discharge mower designed for Cat 1 tractors in the 1830 HP range, powered directly by your machine's PTO for consistent, reliable cutting. Its floating hitch keeps the deck contouring to uneven terrain, while adjustable wheel brackets let you dial and cut heights from 0.4 to 3.2 inches, and the Titan Quick Hitch compatibility allows for effortless implement swaps in seconds. Equipped with 3 heat-treated blades and a wide rear discharge to prevent grass buildup, this mower also features a low-noise cast-iron gearbox and a durable powder coat finish over high-grade steel for long-lasting rust resistance. At 430 pounds with 12-inch wheels, it's a heavy-duty, built-to-last attachment that delivers a clean, professional finish across large properties and challenging landscapes. Number 4. MechMax 48-inch Offset Flail Ditch Bank Mower. The MechMax 48-inch Offset Flail Ditch Bank Mower is a heavy-duty PTO-driven attachment built for Cat 1 tractors in the 25 to 50 HP range, featuring a 69-inch maximum lateral offset and hydraulic rotation that tilts 60 degrees downward and 90 degrees upward to tackle hard-to-reach ditches, embankments, and overgrown slopes with ease. Its 20 durable flail hammers spin at 2,356 revolutions per minute, from a 540 revolutions per minute PTO, to mulch material up to 1.5 inches thick, while the 48-inch cutting width and adjustable mowing height, 0.65 to 2 inches, deliver a clean, consistent finish across fields, orchards, and vineyards. Built with a heavy rear roller, front safety chains, sealed bearings, and a convenient kickstand, this 613-pound mower combines rugged construction with precise hydraulic control, making it a versatile solution for maintaining challenging terrain that standard mowers simply can't reach. Number 5. Swisher FC11544CL Swisher Classic 11.5 HP Mower. The Swisher Classic 11.5 HP 44-inch toe-behind finish cut mower is a gas-powered workhorse designed to deliver a professional, manicured look across lawns and open fields, though it's not intended for heavy brush or saplings. Its 44-inch heavy-duty 11-gauge steel deck covers more ground per pass, significantly cutting mowing time, while two G6 Gator mulching blades produce a clean, high-quality finish. The universal articulating hitch with adjustable offset allows you to easily navigate ditches, fence lines, and under low branches, and the single-point height adjustment lets you dial and cut heights from 1.5 to 4.5 inches to suit any turf condition. Weighing 247 pounds and built with rugged alloy steel, this toe-behind mower offers a smart balance of durability, maneuverability, and finish cut precision for homeowners and property caretakers alike.